entrance to a house create expectation, framing the moment of what's to come, tickling the imagination. What is behind those steps? I'm Helen, I'm an architect.
And my name is Carl, and I'm a builder.
Together, we've been creating projects for others for years, but a while back we decided to make a shift, to do what we love most, build for ourselves. Our usual starting point in these little projects is to do a little sketch of what we want to do. It helps us visualize and create a backdrop of the works involved. We have an idea of a softly lit up walkway and a bed of lush greenery framing the experience. In a previous episode, we showed you how we installed some recessed mini spotlights lighting up the actual walkway and wall lights in the upper garden. We also commissioned a local artist to paint a mural at the far end to draw the eye up the staircase. Check out the description for links to those episodes. Coming up in this video, we remove the existing tree, we dig 2 larger pits for the trees and place metal border rings, buy and fit landscaping fabric to make weed control easy, we go to the garden center to buy all the plants, select and pick up rocks as decoration, choose and install lighting and irrigation, place and plant everything when the delivery comes, buy and place bark. We don't really know why, but the neighborhood cats use our garden as their toilet, so the bonus with the bark, I suppose, is that you can't see it very well. Finally, we program the lights and irrigation. And this is the final result. We're quite happy. What do you think of this walkway? What would you do differently? Let us know in the comments below.